I look crazy, but this is editing Dajir here. So I was informed by my mother and my sister that this look at the end wasn't really, it didn't look very 90s. I took some different 90s pictures that I had and put them together, but I guess in the end it wasn't 90s, but the end outcome was still super cute. So I just wanted to come in here and say that. I might put it in the title that it was like a failed 90s, trying to be 90s, but it was still cute. I don't know if I will, so if I don't, I'm saying it here. Still watch the video because the makeup look is really cute and I really like it, but yeah, I just wanted you guys to know that if you get to the end and you're like, girl, this does not look 90s, I was informed by my family after I got done. I came out all excited. I was like, what does this remind y'all of? And they was like, not 90s, sis. Anyways, I'm rambling. Let's get to the video. Cue the Dajir Nicole intro. Hey guys, it's Dajir. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, I say that all the time, like, I mean, clearly there doesn't have to be much of an introduction if you can just look at the title and see what the video is going to be. But today is kind of going to be like just a get ready with me just doing my makeup, but I kind of want to do it a sort of kind of like 90s inspired way. Like I'm going to try to make my brows thinner. I kind of feel like my hair is kind of 90s. I don't know, I just have a bunch of pictures of like girls from the 90s, and it's just like inspired me to do some 90s inspired makeup. So I guess if you guys want to see me try to sort of kind of do 90s inspired makeup, every time I say it's gonna be something, it turns out to be something else. But if you guys want to see me do that, then just keep on watching. Okay, I'm pretty excited, but I'm also kind of nervous because, like I said, every time I say it's gonna be something, it turns out to be something that it's not supposed to be. So now let's do the brows. I'm trying to think. I was thinking if I should like block them out and then try to like completely make them thin, but I honestly don't think that that's gonna be cute, and I really want this makeup look to be cute. Like I'm kind of just in the mood for a cutesy look. I'm not in the mood for like a character look. So I think I'm just gonna try to like fill them very close to my brows and then just like conceal them very close, because my brows are kind of like on the thinner side. So I feel like we can make this happen. So I'm gonna try to fill in these brows as thin as possible. So yeah. Okay, I actually hate having light concealer above my brows, but I had to conceal above them just to make them as thin as possible. And I think they look pretty thin. I think they look good. Okay. So the picture that I'm going off of is this picture, and then this other picture Naomi came with, just because like, hello, boss. So I'm kind of gonna do a soft glam type eye where it's like cut creased, opened a little bit. But I'm gonna make the crease line a little bit darker with black, because like in a lot of the 90s pictures I've seen, the like cut crease black was like very intense and not, I mean it was blended, but it wasn't that well blended. So yeah, let's get to it. I'm priming my eyes with the Juvia's Place. I hate, okay, let me tell you guys a little pet peeve of mine. I hate when products have the label on it but they make it so it comes off. That's so annoying to me. Like, I don't know why that irks me so bad. Like when I see like brushes or concealers or something that have like their logo or label or whatever, and I see it wiping off, it literally like irks me so bad. Okay, so I'm gonna take the Word 2 palette by Juvia's Place. I really like this palette for like cut creases, because like soft matte cut creases, because it has all the like colors for a cut crease. I just love this. So first I'm gonna take this Morphe, see this brush done wiped off to G13, I think that's what it says, and I'm gonna take Yelled It in the palette, and I'm just gonna put that into the crease. I'm also gonna put it a little bit on the lid. And then I'm gonna take the Morphe M433 and just start lightly blending that. I'm gonna take the Morphe M441 brush and I'm gonna go into Yoda again. I'm gonna start blending that out some more. I'm gonna take the M330 brush. I'm gonna take Kafuru and I'm gonna put that into the crease. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm kind of keeping it on the second half of the eye, the outer part, because I'm kind of just gonna like blend this out and then create this kind of effect. I'm gonna take a M504 brush with nothing on it, and I'm just gonna blend everything together. Because I kind of want to keep this a little bit on the softer side, I'm just gonna take Walzana and put that into the crease, and then this is gonna be the last shade that I use. I'm just taking this one a little tiny bit further into the front of the eye. Okay, and then I'm going to take my beauty sponge and kind of just like tap on the front. And then I'm going to take this big old brush just because it's what's in front of me, and I'm going to take Zaz. Oh, I feel like that. I'm going to take Zaz from the palette and just put that in the front. This is kind of setting it because it was like creasing weird, but I think I'm going to put a shimmer shade on top of that because I feel like shimmer was very popular in the 90s, like just shimmer all over the lid, all over the whole entire eye. But I'm going to take this Cover FX highlighter palette and I'm going to take the second shade on the first row, which is like a white. I'm going to put that on the lid. I forgot that this is like a little bit blue, but it's fine. Just pretend like that shimmer shade isn't blue. Let's do that. Can y'all do that for me? Thanks. Okay, babes, so I did a few things while I was out. So I wish, honestly, I would have just used this shade originally. I wish I would have looked at my palette for a silver shade before I put on that highlight shade. But I took the Juvia's Place Wahala 2 palette and I took Greed, which is like a perfect silver for like a 90s look. It dropped a little bit of that blue undertone because I put that other eyeshadow down first, but it's whatever. I did my foundation. I honestly just did it kind of like regular. The only thing that I did a little bit different, but you can't really tell, is I usually set my face with banana powder, but I took Airspun right under. Well, I did a few things different, but I'm gonna do a different TikTok thing because my foundation looks great. But I took some Airspun powder and put it under my eyes because it was like they had very light under eyes. So yeah, I just did that, and now I'm gonna do lips. I want to do the outline. You know how like in this picture there's like an outline, you guys know what I'm talking about. I want to do that like a lip line kind of, and I'm gonna use this brown lipstick from NYX. Okay, great. So now that I have that, I'm going to do, oh, I forgot to even put on lashes, but I'm going to do my under eye, which actually I'm not going to do my under eye. The only thing that I'm going to do with my under eyes is I'm going to put on mascara. I'm going to take these Celeste Los Angeles lashes in
Trixie, and I'm gonna put these on just because in my one video I put on my forgotten makeup challenge video, I used these and I just loved how they were like dramatic but also like very like natural. And a lot of the 90s, they either don't have on a lash, they just have on mascara, or they have on like a very light lash. I don't like doing just mascara because I feel like, by the way, there's mascara here that I'm gonna take off or whatever, but I don't like just using mascara because I don't know, I've become addicted to false lashes, so yeah. Okay, so you guys see how that lash looks pretty natural, but like it just brings like a little something something. That's what I was going for. So yeah, I guess this is pretty much the finished look. This was really fun. Am I missing anything? Let me check. Oh, gloss. Okay, so this is the finished 90s inspired look. I actually am pretty proud of myself. I feel like it looks pretty 90s if I say so myself. My brows are a little bit thicker for the times, but I did as best as I could without like shaving off my eyebrows or gluing them down. Yeah, so this is the finished look. I think it's so cute. Yeah, this video was so fun to make. I feel like I love doing different styles. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. Follow me on Instagram, like my Facebook page. All the links to all that good stuff will be in the description box. Watch another video, watch an old video, watch a new video, you know, just watch another video if you like me, if you like my vibe, if you like my channel. If you want to subscribe, watch another video, you might as well. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.